We are back on the water. Even though we are in our slip, we still face some difficult decisions. The water level is still an issue. The weeds remain a significant concern. The question that we still face is, can we get out? And then, if we do get out, can we get back in? The other collateral question is, if we start backing out of our slip and get stuck in the fairway, can we get back into the slip? That happened 2 weeks ago. The weeds remain a significant concern. They were treated and are dying off, but they are still here. Those large mats that were on the surface 2 weeks ago are now several feet below the surface. When the water is calm, you can actually see them like a submerged carpet. They still cause a problem. In fact, going out today, we dragged a big patch of weeds with us, requiring us to stop and back down to remove them. So it looks like the weeds are going to remain a concern throughout the summer. This will be interesting. Big wind shift. Still, it is exhilarating to be back out on the water.
How do I turn the autofiller off?
Just push the standby button.
Where am I going? Okay, tell me when.
Go ahead.
Coming about. Yeah, that's the one you're pulling. What?
A little more. Right there.
I'm in the green. Ja, das ist gut, ja. It's like 19 or 20 right now.
Switch to real football.
Exactly.
Because if he had arguments with his father going out.
His father probably realized how dangerous football was.
He's a defender. 4.3. Cap and Nick.
Well, of course, it was a sudden death experience going on.
Uh-huh.
Set it there.
You gotta get phone holders. Oh, you have to tack to go in?
Got a ways to go yet.
What time is it?
Like 3:30, 3:31. We're at 57 feet. They start turning.
You want me to do it?
turn?
Yeah.
Yeah. My telltales. The wind just died.
Yeah, I think it's
Yeah. I was at 11, now it dropped to 8.3. Start going? Coming about. A boot. Watch your fingers.
Stepping on it, that's why.
back a little bit.
Yep. I know, it's going. I mean, I'm being pushed out that way, but it's turning that way. The wheel's turning that way.
What's that? Need help?
Look at my telltales, Mom.
Yeah, we're good telltales.
Yeah.
You want our boy's hat?
Sounds like your electrical stuff.
Pick that up a little bit more.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm kind of losing the wind. Yeah, the roller furling is nice for days like this. I don't have to worry about folding. That's always a hassle. Had a couple times.
The only time we fold the sail now is when we take it down and have to put it in the belly. Hold
Yeah,
it on
I was going to tell you,
the yard.
when I put the mainsail on, and I laid it all out on the deck, and then started hooking it on, and I was pulling it up, and as I pulled it up, acorns kept falling out.
What kept coming out?
Acorns.
Oh.
Did I go too far? Yeah.
You pulled it in the backyard.
It's pushing the wind. It's like there must be a strong current. Well, it seems like the boat is pushing, even though the.
It's the wind
Okay, Magellan.
Oh, it's blowing 15 now.
Good sailing day. Would have been better if we put up the main. It just makes it easier, but it's... See the winch? It's still wrapped around there. There we go. What did he say?
It's his trip.
My workout.
Oh. Indian people don't really, especially in India, don't really work out, and they call working out doing gym. They go, "We're doing gym." And they're like, "What is that?" And they're like, "We're walking." They don't really have the idea of like physical exercise very much.
And then you just
That's it.
hit them.
It's because you have an Android, or you have an app. You have Apple.
Well, no, it's just the case.
Huh.
How many seasons are there? There's 4. And then they're making 5th one. I might have seen 3. But if I picked up on 4, I wouldn't remember.
They're all kind of disconnected a little bit, though. Because they're all usually like...
You almost have to not believe what you see.
Yeah, it's like, hang on in case we get out of. Yeah, look at now, it went to 9.2. Now it's 6.9.
Anywhere from 9 feet to 6 feet.
Oh, now it says it's 15 feet. Now it's 11, now 9, now 8, now 7.
Nick, if you could grab the stern line,
Okay.
it's not very long, so
I'll take the stern line. It's this one? Yeah.
This is feet.
Ma'am, you're going to talk to me.
Yeah, just tie it off on the front, and we'll clean it up afterwards.
The top or this
Hey, Bill, give her a little bit of push.
Coming forward.
I'm gonna have to let go of this, Dad.
I got the mid. All right, we're looking good, Bill. Looking good. How about I got it? Great. Thank you. Perfect.
Yeah, we plowed a path on the way out.
You dug it all up and took it with you?
Yeah.
Yeah, we were.
The rudder was like that on the way out, so we must have dragged a whole pile of
I think
weeds
just
with
keep
us.
doing that.
Yeah.
Just keep a
perfect.
nice clean path.
Clean it out.
Yeah.
But you got out and
We
you're
made
back.
it out, made it
What
in.
matters?
Yep. Thank you so much.
Thanks.